So this is an individual who's complaining about her orthodontic treatment. She said her dentist did not do her braces properly and they're taking them off, and still the bite is way off. Well, there's a reason for that. Sometimes if it's very complicated, you should be seeing an orthodontist. Dentist now says that, and wow, he gets a lot of hate mail from dentists.
Because you went to your dentist. See, a lot of people have this confused. Orthodontists, we are dentists, but we also specialize 2 to 3 years further to learn how to move teeth using Invisalign, brackets, braces, all that type of stuff. Fun fact, in dental school, we really don't learn brackets, braces, orthodontics really at all. We never see any cases. We never do any of that. And a majority of dentists never do any further training to learn it. They try and just put some brackets on and they hope for the best, and then they're like, whoa, this is way harder than it looks. And then they come to me asking me to fix it. The fact that you had braces for that long, your bite wasn't fixed, your teeth weren't even straight, more than likely you went to a dentist that just didn't have any competency in the subject. That's not saying all dentists are bad. Some of them really take it seriously and learn a lot. Some of them even go back to residency to learn how to be an orthodontist.